I think I've got this figured out a little bit. Not sure, but we'll try. Okay, so today we are we're going to develop fluency in subtraction. To develop fluency in subtraction, that means to kind of learn it and learn it quickly and be able to say your answer quickly. So I hope with practice you're going to be able to do that. We are not going to do this page with the flowers. We're going to turn to the page with the horse. All right, let me get my marker. Okay, and I hope you probably should use a pencil in case you make a mistake. You might erase. You'll notice if I make a mistake, I end up kind of scribbling out when I use a marker. On this first problem I have, it says 7 horses are in a field. We are going to circle the first number we see, 7. 4 are brown. I'm going to circle the 4 brown. And the rest are white. How many horses are white? Okay, so we're going to try to figure out how many horses are white. All right, so we're going to take this big number, 7, and we are going to subtract 4. I'm going to grab my jumping frog here. I like this little thing. It's very helpful. Okay, so, and I'm going to start with 7, and I'm going to jump back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I land on the number 3. 7 minus 4 equals 3. There are 3 white horses. Okay, so the next one we have, it says to write 2 subtraction equations that use the same 3 numbers. So when we're talking about the 3 numbers, we're talking about the house with the related facts. I do have some cards here. I have a 4, I have a 5, and I have a 9. Now notice if I take 4, go to the number 4, and I add 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm going to get the answer 9. So I know that these are related facts. They're all in the family. And even if I take this 4 and I switch it around, and I start with 5, and I add 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's also going to equal 9. All right, so then if I put this 9 first, the big number first, and I subtract 5, hopefully I end up with 4. So I have 9. I'm going to jump back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I land on 4. Yeah, this is working out well. All right, so now I'm going to switch these 2 around. Again, I'm going to start with 9, but this time I'm going to jump back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I land on the number 5. Okay, I like this related fact. So let's do this one. So we're going to start with our number 9. We have to pay attention to our sign. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. And then if we switch these 2 around, it still works. We could say 9 minus 5 equals 4. Both ways, this related fact family works. Okay, down here at the bottom of our worksheet, we have some fluency, well, just some easy little subtraction that we need to learn the fluency. We need to be able to know what they are, be able to subtract them. We're going to pay attention that these are all subtraction signs. Also, the equal sign, it means it has to be the same. It has to be equal on both sides. So if it's an answer on one side, it should be the same answer on the other side. That means they're both the same. So whenever you come to one that has the answer first, you don't have to be, tricked or anything by it or nervous, because we know it doesn't matter if the answer is first, it still has to be the same, weigh the same on both sides. So don't let that fool you or scare you. Okay, so I'm going to move these out of the way. The first one that I see is 3 minus 3. I'm going to use these little tokens. I have 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3, if they don't run away from me. And then how many do I have left? Nothing. 0. Big goose egg. Okay. Another model that I could use are cubes. This one is 8 minus 7. Okay, so I think I have 8 cubes. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I do. Okay, so now I'm going to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have left? 1. Very good. So this is going to be our answer 1. Okay, the last one that I want to kind of model over here is this 10 minus 1. And notice our answer is first. Again, we talked about equal, being the same on both sides. So we have 10. I have 10 counters here. I'm going to take away 1. And that leaves us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is going to be 9. And so 10 minus 1 is 9. And then the number 9 is 9. So it is still equal on both sides. Okay, let's take a look at the back side. Make sure you're on the same page as me with this fire truck. Also, before I forgot to tell you, I was going to have you do those on your own because you guys are smart cookies. You could do that on your own. Okay, so we have this fire truck on the back. Make sure you're on the same page as me. And the equation says 9 fire trucks are at the station. That's a lot of fire trucks. We're going to circle the number 9. Then 5 fire trucks leave. We're going to circle 5. Those are the ones that took off and left the fire station. How many fire trucks are at the station now? Okay, so let's grab our jumping frog. We started with 9 trucks, 9 fire trucks, not just trucks, fire trucks. We have 9, and we're going to jump back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I jumped back 5. So 5 left the fire station, and my jumping frog shows that there are 4 fire trucks at the station now. So how many fire trucks are at the station now? 4. Wonderful job. Okay, again, I'm going to let you solve these problems on your own, simply because I think that you are very capable of doing so. So thank you very much. You guys have a great day.